This video is beyond overdue, but today we're finally gonna show, well, I'm finally gonna show you guys my studio apartment tour. Finally. Also, hi, I'm back on YouTube. I don't even know if people are still gonna watch this, but nonetheless, Jeremy Clyde is back. Anyways, I have about 4 months left in this apartment. If I do ever move, I will make sure to do like an apartment hunting tour or video, but yeah. Also, why is my hair built like this right now? You guys are just gonna have to get used to that because you'll be seeing this for a while. Starting out in the front door. Let me just, hold on, let me just like come in as if like, no, wait, actually no, let's do that. Okay, so that's how it looks like when you enter the door. That was so useless. What was that? That didn't really do anything. So prior to even doing the whole tour, I'm just gonna do a little quick overview shot in 3, 2, 1. Anyways, this is the entrance of my apartment. So since I already explained the layout in my empty apartment studio tour, I'm just gonna talk to you guys about like where I put stuff. So let's start with these. These are little magnets that I have that I bought in Target. I never use them, but I think they're so cute. I have my pantry here, and this is where really I store like the bulk of my groceries and just like toiletries, I suppose. Like towel papers there or toilet paper there. This is where I make my little coffee, so I guess you could say this is like my coffee nook. I have a little candle that I light up here at nighttime because it also emits light. And I have this little bowl. This is basically where I store all like my fruits and all that stuff, so they're all just here. And above this little coffee nook is where I hoard all of my cups for my coffee, and then tea stuff there. Okay, I don't know why this little baby plant is hidden. It's actually so cute. I got this from Adam. Thank you, Adam. We got the Aesop soap. Is it Aesop or Aesop? I still don't know really, but I also have the little cute thing that I got from, I was gonna say Whole Foods, no, World Market, and this little thing to hold like my sponges and just my little paper towel. So above my sink is another little cabinet, and this is where I store my Asian ass with my rice cooker, of course. But I also have like my tumblers and all that stuff for my plants, containers, pancake maker thing, my steamer, and just like other miscellaneous stuff. Not the vodka, anyways. But to the bottom of my sink, I don't even know if I want to open this. Yeah, my little trinkets for cleaning and all that stuff. Let's not dive into that. But on the section here, we have my little spices and my toaster over there that I literally have to use a freaking stool because I can't reach that. So if I do ever need a toast or if I want to make toast, I have to step on a ladder. Short people problems. Oh, and if you're watching this and you don't know my height, comment down below how tall you think I am. I'm actually curious. Do let me know. Comment down below. Here is where I store all of Igor's stuff. Currently Igor's not with me. He's actually at my mom's. So it's pretty quiet here. He doesn't even bark anyways, but no little tippy tappies where he's walking because he's not here, sadly. So to the right of my kitchen sink, microwave, not much here, stove, oven. And above here, I actually don't put a lot of things here. It's just like not the vodka again. Oh, that's tequila. I promise I don't drink that much. I really don't. This was actually at Pride, when Pride happened here in San Francisco, and that has just been sitting there. I did not even know that existed there. I'm not an alcoholic, I promise. I'm really not. I'm really not. My friends could attest to this. But anyways, I just have my knives there, my kitchen utensils, and the most amazing thing that I have right now in my kitchen, my air fryer. This is where I store all of my glasses, my plates, and as you can see, I like to color coordinate except for this little cute noodle bowl and this one. But other than that, I like to keep things very organized. Same as this drawer right here where I store all like my spoons, forks, and other knickknacks. Alright, moving on to this side of my place, of my apartment. This is where the living room is at. I don't know about you guys, but I love this part of my living room, especially the plants. I installed these like 3 days ago, and I just kind of make them go up and up because I think it looks super cute. I love sitting here now just looking at that while watching the TV, and at nighttime it actually lights behind, so it just has a very cool vibe and I love it. And as you can see, I also store a dresser here. Also, these two, I bought these two off Amazon, and link will be in my bio, so if you're interested, go for it. It's really cute. But anyways, I just have a 55-inch TV here. I got it from Best Buy, and this plant right here that I absolutely adore. It actually was so super small, like right here, And I actually bought this off IKEA. Can you believe that? I got this off IKEA and now she is thriving. And this plant right here I got from a friend. It's also very cute, goes all the way, and it actually stretches even more, but I was like, I'm not gonna be stretching it way too far like over here, so I just kind of made it go on that section. But anyways, for the dresser, they're pretty much just like rolled pants. Like for example here, rolled pants, shorts, all that stuff. Same thing for this side. Just a bunch of like pants and all that stuff. And same thing for here as well. Like I just keep things very organized as far as like where my pants goes. So like dress pants here, shorts, gym stuff over there, and all that stuff. I have a whole system, and this is where I put my undies and socks and then miscellaneous stuff over there. Anyways, on this side of my apartment, I have a hidden Nintendo Switch over there that I barely use anymore, but it's just there. So if my friends wants to play, it's available. But I also got this little thing here. I forgot where I got this from. I think World Market. For my coffee table, I just have, like I said, it's from Amazon. I just have a candle and this plant that I got from IKEA that is growing so much. I have a little coaster here, a marble coaster, and then my TV remote. And I like to keep my coffee table pristine and clean all the time. And mainly the reason why is because I also use this couch here, especially in the morning, to read. This is where I read and just like relax. I got this super comfy blanket from Costco and I need it, especially in San Francisco wintertime. Pillows I got from World Market and Target. This is Target and these are World Market. I also have these two frames right here. These are actually like Japanese greeting cards, but I framed them from these like IKEA frames because I think they look super cute. Like I love how they're just like dried flowers. Oh, and by the way, I also have a balcony, as you can see over there. It's kind of dirty at the moment because the screen is dirty, but I have two tables over there. Not two tables. I have one table, two chairs, and that little bench over there. I am actually planning to sell it because I don't need it. Oh, and at nighttime, I have like those string lights that I turn on, and it just creates like a cute vibe. So sometimes I go out there, drink my wine. It's a vibe. All right, we're going through this pretty fast. The next area is my office. So when I was viewing this apartment and I saw this section, I was immediately like, okay, this is where I'm gonna put my office space because it's looking through like outside the window, and I need that, especially when I'm working, because I don't want to be staring at a wall. But anyways, so let's talk details. Monitor is from LG. Absolutely love this thing. It goes up and down, and it's just like the perfect size for me because the MacBook that I have is a small screen, and sometimes when I edit, I like to have the big screen. It makes it a lot easier. And I have a marble coaster there, a little thing that I got from Amazon where it holds my phone. You know, just my little cute keyboard, trackpad. And I also got this thing from Amazon as well, this MacBook stand or laptop stand. And then I just have my iPad there, a few notebooks, and then my Magic Mouse and speakers at the back. And then here I have a little owl thing that I absolutely love. It just stores like my pencils and pens and scissors. And on this side, I just have my LED lamp. I just like this because it's not too bright. It's just perfect for me at nighttime. And I have my blue light glasses here when I'm editing because if I don't wear this thing, my head hurts. And then we have my desk here. I just have a blanket there and another pillow for more comfort. My dog's bed is over there because literally when I'm working, he loves to be under me. He likes to be around me, so he likes to go there and just like sleeps. And on this side of my office, my little lemon bag. Anyways, yeah, bookshelf here. Like, look at how big these sleeves are. Like, are you kidding me? This is where I just have all the books that I read. Extra lens there. This Berkeley bear that I got from Adam. And candles, coins, glasses, the router and all that stuff are there as well. I definitely think this is also one of my favorite plants here in my apartment, because are you kidding me? This is a super beautiful. When I first got her, she was only like this tall. And I also have my little meditation cushion that I also got from Adam. Thank you, Adam. And then we have this big mirror here, super cute. So one thing that I love about this apartment is the fact that I get a lot of natural light. But anyways, time to show you guys my bed area. I got my bed off Nectar. Anyways, I got this thing. I actually don't know. I've had this for so long. I've had this since I was like in middle school from my parents' house. This thing though is from IKEA. His name is Babo. My metal bed frame is actually from Amazon, so also link will be in my bio. My nightstand is also from Amazon, so if you wanna get this look, I actually quite like it, and it actually came installed already. I literally just had to just do the legs and that was it. Like, it was super quick. But in my bedside, I have this lamp as well. I got this from IKEA, and it just kind of sits right here next to my guitar. So just right next to my bed area, this is my closet. This holds all the stuff that I have. of course, my dresser as well. So a while ago, we are at the entrance door, but to the right, I guess, of my entrance door, this is where I have this little nook for my vacuum, my Dyson vacuum, and my trash can. Guys, one thing about this trash can, I love him. Like, look at this. She just opens up. She can definitely be a material girl sometimes, so I got it, and I actually like it, and I don't regret buying it at all. I love it. And I also got this little mirror right here from IKEA. I put this mirror here just to add more light to the apartment because this area is actually pretty secluded and dark. So by putting the mirror here, like the light that emits there bounces here and creates more light from this section, which is amazing. We're almost done, you guys. Off to the bathroom. This side is just the sink. I just have my skincare stuff here, my cleanser, hand wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, towel here, and there's actually ample storage underneath my sink, which is amazing. And on this side, I just have my toilet area, and I have a towel rack here, and this is also where I store my Swiffer trash can there. Across my toilet is my little laundry box, I guess I could say. It's actually pretty seamless with the colors here, so this was such a great find. Got it from Amazon. On this side of the bathroom, I actually have this, I think it matches the colors. I was like, oh my god, perfect. And I just have a hook here with my personal towel, and then I added a hook there to hold like my wipe thing for my glass when I clean it, and then like my little body scrub. We have our shampoo, my body wash, another body wash, and bubble bath. I'm definitely pretty happy with the size of my shower. Like, I actually have a tub that I can use to take baths, which is super amazing. Okay, we are finally done with the tour. I hope I showed you guys everything. I think I did, who knows. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this tour. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Jeremy Clyde is finally back on YouTube. More videos will be coming soon. So do subscribe if you're new, and stay subscribed if you're not, and might as well turn that notification bell just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!